Okay, so now we're going to look at section 3, which talk about the Middle and the New Kingdoms. The Middle Kingdom was a period of stable government between disorder. Um, it Egypt fell into disorder about 1750 BC, which was about 3,700, almost 3,800 years ago, because it was invaded by a group called the Hyksos. The Egyptians fought back, and Amos of Thebes declared himself king and drove the Hyksos out, and this began the New Kingdom. So Egypt took over vast lands. They became a leading military power in the area. Conquest brought about trade and contact with distant lands. Um, Queen Hatshepsut was very famous because she was one of the first female pharaohs. She also encouraged trade. She used that extra profit to support the arts and greats. Ramses the Great fought invaders for many years, and he kind of left the empire diminished. He's also the Pharaoh that you see in the Ten Commandments and Prince of Egypt that was brothers with Moses, adopted brothers with Moses, and eventually he was the Pharaoh that God put the plagues against and let the Egyptians or let the Israelites leave Egypt. Um, their society started having different kind of jobs. Family life was very important, and most Egyptians lived in their home. Women actually had legal rights of owning property and making contracts, and could even divorce their husbands, which was very progressive um, than other civilizations. Some of the main jobs they had were scribes, artisans, artists, and architects. These required advanced skills. And then merchants and traders held positions, and they were able to travel long distances and buy and sell goods. You could also be a soldier, you could be a farmer, or a peasant. And then a slave was not really a job you chose, but they were criminal or are different prisoners. So we'll go ahead and stop there, and we'll get into section, the Egyptian achievement section, in just a second. Brian Schooley.